What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from Guitar Jams, Guitar Teams again. I've got a free ebook that has all the chord diagrams and beginner scale shapes to start with, and they're really helpful for all these free lessons that I do on YouTube. So you can click the link right down there and check it out. Let's do this lesson. The song is the same 4 chords over and over, which is good for a beginner. This was also a huge hit. It's like a #1 hit, I think, so. Yeah, it's a recognizable song. So we start with a G chord. Middle finger, index finger, and then ring finger on the 3rd fret of this high E string right there. That's a G chord. Then a D chord is the next chord, and we're going to get our index finger on the 2nd fret of this G string right here, and our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E, and our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B. So that's our 2nd chord. The next chord is called A minor, and it has middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G, index finger on the 1st fret of the B. And then the last chord, all you have to do from A minor is take your ring finger off and try and get it to the 3rd fret of the A string here. Like that. Check it out. So we're gonna go down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So that's pretty much the song, and then there is a little melody that I'm going to teach you right now, which will be fun if you're playing it with another guitar player, or you want to, just know another cool part. It's not that hard. So we're going to take our index finger and play it on the 7th fret of the high E, middle finger on the 8th fret of the B. And we just keep this shape, and we're going to go high E to B back and forth. And that's all we got to do with our right hand. I'm doing alternate picking. You can do all downs. And check this out. So I added my pinky to the 10th fret of the high E. Dun, do, dun, do, din, do. Then back off. Dun, dun. So, sorry. So 2 more of those open. Then the same move, but with our ring finger on the 8th fret of the high E, but the same rhythmic move. So. Begin.